Hi, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Janai.
And we're making Pigs in a Blanket. For starters, you need your mini hot dogs.
You need your crescent rolls.
And 3 sauces of your choosing.
But we have mustard, ketchup, and sweet and sour sauce.
So the first step is to take your crescent rolls.
And we have 4 for 2 of each of us. It's kind of hard to pick up a little bit. But
Yeah.
kind of doughy.
I think that's the point.
Yeah. Then you take your
Mini hot dogs.
and then you roll it based off of where the tip is on your crescent roll. And so you roll it. You really want to get that pig in its blanket.
Yes, very important. It's kind of where the name comes from.
It almost kind of looks like a little croissant in a sense. And then when you're done, you put it on your plate. And so now we're gonna take our pigs in their blankets and we're going to move over to the air fryer, which should be set at 325 degrees for 8 minutes.
And you pop those in. And soon enough, out will come out your pigs in a blanket. It's been 8 minutes.
And now it's time for the taste test. You excited?
Yay.
I mean, they smell awesome, so
I like hot dogs.
I'm ready to dig in.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
It tastes like a hot dog. But like if hot dogs were empanadas.
Okay. Yeah, it feels kind of like a light, airy feel. Think like if you're eating a corn dog, but you have it like right here.
It's pretty much a corn dog, but not fried.
But it's really good.
Well, it's air fried, but it's differently fried. It's a corn dog. It's a
Corn dog.
It's
Like it just
basically-
has a corn dog consistency, but it tastes.
It's pretty much it's a fancy corn dog. Is how I'd like to put it.